Adding Square payments to QuickBooks is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. If you don't already have a Square account, sign up for one at squareup.com. Complete the registration process and verify your account. Log in to your QuickBooks Online account using your credentials. In QuickBooks Online, go to the Apps menu located in the left-hand sidebar. Use the search bar within the Apps menu to search for Square or Square Payments. Find the Square Integration app and select it to view more details. Follow the prompts to connect your Square account to QuickBooks Online. This usually involves signing in to your Square account and granting permission for QuickBooks to access your Square data. Review the permissions and data that QuickBooks will access from your Square account. Authorize the data sharing to proceed with the integration. Once the integration is set up, you may need to map accounts and configure settings based on your business needs. This includes mapping income accounts, expense accounts, payment types, and tax settings. After mapping accounts and settings, initiate a sync or data transfer process to import Square transactions into QuickBooks Online. This may involve syncing historical transactions and setting up ongoing syncs for new transactions. Once transactions are imported into QuickBooks Online from Square, review them to ensure accuracy and completeness. Reconcile Square payments with corresponding invoices, sales receipts, expenses, and other financial records in QuickBooks Online.